Hello children. In today's video, I want to explain you about numericals from spherical mirrors. That is, we'll consider both concave mirror as well as convex mirror. My idea is not to exactly solve the numerical, but when you see a numerical, how will you identify or how will you analyze which case is this and how to solve it, and finally the answer should not go wrong. Why? Because mirror formula, lens formula, you will be confused, and by chance if instead of plus sign if you put minus sign, the whole numerical will go wrong. Okay, I have taken one numerical from each convex and concave mirror. So let us see. Now, first of all, you read the numerical very carefully. Like here, what is given? An object of size 7 centimeters. So don't read the whole numerical at a stretch. You break down and write what is the data given. So here, an object of size 7 centimeter. So what will we write? HO is equal to, we know that always the object is size is taken as plus as per sign convention. So it will be HO is equal to plus 7 centimeter. Now, it is placed at 27 centimeter in front of a concave mirror. So, you know this is object distance, and object is always kept towards the left side as per your NCERT diagrams, and the left side distances are taken as negative. So, U will be minus 27 centimeter. Now, of focal length 18 centimeter. Now, when you know the converging action of concave mirror, it forms real focus. So, where they actually meet, that is on the left hand side. So, here whenever it is concave mirror, the focal length is to be taken as minus. So, this is minus 18 centimeter. Now, I'm not going to solve the numerical right now. First of all, I'll see what answer I will get for V and what will be the nature and what will be the height of the image. So now just proceed further. At what distance from the mirror should a screen be placed? So this will be your V. So V is question mark. So that a sharp focused image can be obtained. Now find the size and nature of the image. So size, it will be HI, so that it will be a question mark. Then nature. So you will write what is the nature of the image. First of all, you analyze which case is this, so that you will not go wrong with any sign. Now suppose if I am saying this, I have drawn, and we know where we will take U, V or F and all that. So this is P. Now F is given as 18. So let me mark this point as 18 centimeter. Okay. Now this mark is 18. So you know where is the C? It is 36 mark. Now where is the object placed? 27. So 27 is in between this somewhere. I can say here. Okay. So now this is a case of an object placed between F and C. So this is the case where the object is placed between F and C. So now where the image will be formed? We know it will be formed beyond C. Beyond C means it will be greater than 36 centimeters you must get. And what type of image you will get? Real and inverted. So your V value must be greater than 36 with minus sign. And what you said? It will be real, inverted and enlarged. So when you are taking HI, so it will be greater than 7 centimeter and real and inverted, so it should be with minus sign. Again, I am explaining you. An object of size 7 centimeter, that is HO, is plus 7 centimeter, is placed at 27 centimeter in front of a concave mirror. So while reading the numerical, you have to be very, very careful which type is asked, whether concave or convex, and whether mirror or lens is asked. So here it is concave mirror and U is taken as minus 27 centimeter. F is minus because concave mirror, so it is minus 18 centimeter. And you have to find out V, that is at what distance from the mirror should a screen be placed, so that a sharp focused image can be obtained. And size of the image is asked, that is HI, and nature is asked. So first of all, how to make out which case is this, whether you will get plus, minus, enlarged, diminished image. So you see that it is focal length is 18 centimeter. And where is what is the double of it? It is center of curvature, so that is 36 centimeter. And where is the object kept? At 27 centimeter. Therefore, you can realize that this is a case of object kept between F and C. And therefore, the image will be formed beyond C. That is, your V value must be greater than 36 centimeters. And since it is a real inverted image, so it should be with minus sign. And since it is an enlarged image, so it will be greater than 7 centimeters. And since it is real image, it will be minus 7 centimeters greater than. So now, when you solve the numerical, so when you understand this, you will never go wrong, because maximum it will be asked for a 3 marker in board exam. So right from the formula, you have to be very careful. Now, I have given the solution here. So 1 by F equals to 1 by V plus 1 by U. This you know the mirror formula. Rest all the data which I have taken from the numerical, I have written here. And see, what did I say? It will be greater than 36 centimeters with minus sign. So when I solved, you got it as V is equal to minus 54 centimeter. And height of the image, we said that it is greater than 7 centimeters. So we got 14. And since it is real inverted, we have to get minus sign. So we got minus 14 centimeter. And nature of the image, we know it is real inverted and enlarged. Now, before the numericals, actually, you have to be very, very thorough with all the ray diagrams, as how to draw and where is the object placed, where is the image formed, whether it is real inverted or virtual erect. So you have to visualize. So the children who are starting with the chapter, please be very, very thorough with the ray diagrams. So after ray diagrams, your sign convention comes, and then your numericals will come. So these are all interrelated. Therefore, practice ray diagrams properly. So this is for concave mirror. Let me tell you for convex mirror. So here, you know, convex mirror, it has only 2 cases, and image formed is virtual, erect, and diminished and highly diminished. So in this case, like an object is placed at a distance of 10 centimeter. So you know, now I'm writing U is always taken as negative. So it is minus 10 centimeter. And focal length, because it is virtual focus, so it will be plus, so it is 15 centimeter. Now find the position and nature of the image. Now if you are thorough with the cases of convex mirror, when you keep an object anywhere between pole and infinity, the image will be formed within focus. So, and it's a virtual image. So whatever V value you will get, you have to get less than 15 centimeters and with a plus sign. So he asked only this much. Nature, anyway, we can write it as virtual, erect, and diminished. So let me see. So here you see, this is mirror formula. Again, I have kept U is equal to minus 10 centimeters, and V we want, F we have taken 15 centimeters because it is convex mirror. And when I solved, I got it 6 centimeters, which is less than 15 centimeter, and I got a plus sign. So my solution did not go wrong. Suppose if you visualize like this, your answer will never go wrong with either unless it's a mathematical mistake, but that also can be avoided if you have chosen the case properly. So here V is equal to 6 centimeters, and we know it is virtual, erect, and diminished image. So children, when you solve numericals, you please break that numerical and write first of all what is the data given, then see which mirror or which lens. Accordingly, you see like which case is that, where you have to get V, where you have to get HI, and what will be the nature of the image. So please read the ray diagrams, practice properly, sign convention, be very, very thorough with the table. It should be at your tip. And then you will be able to do all the numericals very well. Thank you so much, children.